Hold on, guys. I just found $2 on the floor. And one thing about when you find money on the floor, you gotta find more of it. I'm here on 36th Street. I guess I found all the. All right, 72nd and 46, just off of 36th Street. There's a place here called Simmons Stainless. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some pieces that I need for the inflatable. Well, not for the inflatable, for the grandpa boat. I've gotten a lot of stuff here for the biminis, right? Look how long these are, and they can cut them for you. And I mean, this stuff gets pretty pricey, guys. Based on now, I'm gonna go ahead and get a part that I need there. So I'll be right back. I gotta see where they have them. We'll see. They got a lot of options, and they'll cut it here. And here we go. 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 Now I need this. I don't need it to be so thick, and I'd like it to be pretty, if possible. Anything in stainless? I don't know. Let me ask around, guys. I'll be right back. All right, so gentleman here has, this is the old one we took off. Obviously it's a mess, but all we need now is 28 inches on both sides. So he's gonna cut 28 inches, and then there we go. Good old 28 inches. One piece, beautiful, nice and brand new. Wait for it. And here's the next piece. And I'm wondering if I need to use something, other pieces for something else. I don't know, but worst case scenario, I'll just come back and get it if that's the case. And this is why I come to Simmons, guys. All right, let me pay the man and get back to the shop. Oh, hey, thank you, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Why, bro? Why? Va a estar another 1,000.
En medio, si tú lo buscas en medio está bien.
Oh,
Míralo ahí,
so
en medio está bien, pero toda el borde, porque eso es playwood. Pero no sirve, coge el agua.
Another 1,000.
Hace tierra.
Can somebody comment below and ask me why I got into this Grandpa series? Can somebody tell me, please? I want to know. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is where my ass would have been. Could my ass withstand that? No. My ass deserves Charmin Ultra Soft and good. Vamos a ponerle PVC. Pepe. PVC and yeah, this is bad, bro. These are the sides, yeah, these are the sides, yeah.
Todo lo que es el empate, los empates, mira las presillas, lo cogen con presillas.
Yeah. Sí. Me voy, que el dinero se me está yendo del bolsillo, pero a momento, Pepe. I said I'm leaving. All right. Dime. En PVC. Sí, con la esponja. Sí. Flat. Y el beluga blanco, ¿ok? All right, well, let's go. Look, if you guys remember a lot of restorations in the beginning of the videos, watch this. Mira qué descarado el tipo este, bro. Ya tú vas a empezar con la pinga tuya.
Yo no creo que el bolefán este está hablando de
Tú vas a empezar. Tú vas a empezar. Tú quieres hacer videos otra vez, chingado. Tú quieres. All right, guys. While I'm doing the Grandpa series, we've done many restoration videos here, and these are rib boats. This was my first passion, but Grandpa has taken over. I gotta meet up with somebody that wants to do. You see, this guy, he would always do this. Eres una mierda, bro. I gotta get out of here, bro. Let's go ahead. Bro, why are you going electric?
Have you seen the prices on the gas lately?
Bro, but electric? Really?
Trying to save some money, bro.
I'm disappointed. I'm really not, but alright guys, I gotta go back. Look at this. Look, this is the electric. It looks hot, bro. I like it. Coño, casi me mato para la pintura. Alright, let me go back. I gotta go pick up that boat, guys. Hey, we're gonna be doing some more restorations here also on inflatables, because it can't just be Grandpa series everything. You want to blow up another tube? Remember we used to blow up tubes? Damn, you guys don't know, bro. You have so many videos you have not watched. The Chit show has literally taken over your mind, dude. I'm out of here. Let me see. I'll be back. She's coming along, guys. All right, so let me show you what's going on here, guys. The Grandpa boat is starting. Yeah. No, tranquilo, you know. All right, so remember, I wanted it to be simple, so I went with white. But we also had to get rid of. We put this, right? And now Pepe's over here putting the backrest. Actually, I just came at a good time that he's actually gonna start putting all this together. Bro, I'm so excited about my Grandpa boat. All right, let me show you the old. Okay, here's the foam that he's using, right? We went and we're using Beluga white upholstery. It's called Beluga white. This was it. So we redid all this because, you know, why are you gonna have garbage? You guys are starting to visualize a little bit, huh? You're starting to see a little bit? Guys, I don't want to make it too nice, but I want to make it nice enough that Mrs. Montaner will want to jump on it. You know what I'm saying? Even though she'll get on it regardless, but, you know, she's like, out for you and your missions all the time. Oye, va a quedar lindo este bote. ¿Qué tú crees, Pepe? El juguete de Alfred.
Sí, estoy bien para jugar ahí, me gusta los soldados.
Yes, I needed my cup holders here. Man, this is getting me excited, dude. I'm actually enjoying this more than my rib boats. What is wrong with me? Am I aging? Is that okay? So you see back here, I wanted all this also. Yeah, see a golpe, yeah. So we had a punch there, and when we removed it, he punched it back. So it looks like somebody had a bad dock moment over there. A chit show, to say the least. And then this console, we're not doing anything to this console, guys. We're not doing anything, and I'm still debating if I should change it. Now you see he's gonna do the cutout here. Sí, eso se va a arrancar, se va a poner nuevo. Yeah, we're putting that new too. So that's coming down. And I got some options. I'm gonna go talk to I'm gonna go talk to David, which is close by. Believe it or not, this floor is solid. It's solid, but that's gonna be the next mission. Yeah, everything is new, guys. Just the upholstery alone is gonna make a huge difference. And wait until we just put the floor. This thing's gonna look night and day. I still gotta come back and remove all this. And I can't remove the whole thing now, but I can remove portions of it. And then I'm not putting the floor or anything different under the seat over there. All right, dale Pepe, me voy echando. Te traigo esa bocina. Mañana mismo. O si puedo conseguírtela ahora, te lo traigo hoy. Tú vas a estar trabajando aquí y vas a seguir poniendo eso.
Sí, yo estoy armando
Okay,
ya.
okay. All right, guys, he's putting it all together now. So remember, he's got other boats here that he's got to do. And we got the grandpa boat in the way. Dale, te voy a conseguir eso. Voy a pasar por David un momentico. Sí, la vieja. Yo te voy a traer una vieja ahora.
Tú me traes la medida para dejar el problema que los huecos después para abrirlos el carajo.
No, tranquilo.
Yo se lo dejo abierto y ya después ponen la bocina.
Guys, well, that's it. We're out of here. Let me go over here. Ociel is over here. No, eso estaba hecho mierda. Eso, I mean, ow. I'm out of here. All right, so, wow. Damn. This is terrible. Hey, everybody watches YouTube too, bro. All right, so Pepe we had redone the whole box, right? So it can last. And now I just brought him a speaker, because here's what he's gonna do. He's gonna I don't really care so much about the music on this, but I'm gonna have 2 speakers here just in case, right? One here and maybe one here. And these are the seats. That's the white beluga. It's dirty now, guys. Normally at the end of the job, what he'll do is he'll pass mineral spirits on it, and that'll clean it up and make it nice and white. I'm definitely digging this. And what do you guys think? Comment below. I want to know what you think. Like, think about this, guys. Look at this. This thing's gonna be solid forever.